Do you do a little research on conscious, subconscious, and the unconscious mind? If you didn't do it, there's always tomorrow or today. The goal is to optimize your learning by understanding your internal and external environments. But we will talk briefly on metacognition. To sum up metacognition into a 12-second soundbite, meta means about in a self referential way. So metacognition means thinking about thinking. For instance, you estimate and evaluate the time required to study for an algebra test. You determine the best strategy for the way you learn, like acronyms to help you remember, flashcards, or online quizzes. Now, first, calculate the numerator as it falls under the category of grouping based on gamma. Next, add 2 plus 3 inside the parentheses. Then subtract 5 from 9. Lastly, divide 4 by 2, which is 2. See the description below for instructions on downloading the free algebra workbook.